One cloudy morning, a cheerful boy named Hamza woke up to the sound of raindrops tapping on his window. Tap, tap, tap. He smiled and looked outside. The sky was gray. The trees were dancing in the wind, and tiny puddles had formed on the village road. Oh, it's raining, Hamza said happily. His little sister, Amina, ran to the window. Can we go outside? She asked excitedly. Their mother smiled and said, only after the rain becomes lighter. Wear your raincoats and boots. The two children waited patiently. They watched birds hiding under tree branches and listened to the peaceful sound of the rain. After a while, the rain became gentle. Now you may go, Mother said. Hamza and Amina quickly put on their bright yellow raincoats and colorful boots. Each carried a small umbrella. Outside, everything looked fresh and clean. The flowers sparkled with tiny drops of water. The grass looked greener than ever. Look, Amina shouted as she jumped into a puddle. Splash! Water flew everywhere, and both children laughed. Soon they met their friend, Bilal, who was wearing a blue raincoat. Let's explore the forest path, Bilal suggested. The three friends walked carefully along the muddy trail. They noticed colorful snails slowly crawling across rocks. I've never seen so many snails before, said Hamza. Bilal gently picked up a leaf. Instead of touching the snail, we should never hurt small creatures, he said. Hamza nodded. Every animal has a home and a family. As they continued walking, they heard a soft sound. Cheep, cheep. The children looked around. Near a bush, they found a tiny baby bird. It looked cold and frightened. Oh no, whispered Amina. I think it fell from its nest. Hamza looked up and saw a nest resting safely on a low tree branch. We shouldn't climb the tree, Bilal said. It could be dangerous. Just then, they saw an old gardener named Uncle Karim walking nearby. Uncle, Hamza called. Can you help us? Uncle Karim smiled kindly. Of course, using a small ladder he carried for trimming trees, Uncle Karim carefully placed the baby bird back into its nest. Little bird chirped happily. Amina smiled. I'm so glad it's safe, Uncle Karim said. Helping animals is one of the greatest acts of kindness. The children thanked him and continued their adventure. Soon they reached a small stream. Because of the rain, the water was flowing much faster than usual. A little wooden bridge crossed the stream. Let's cross carefully, Hamza said. They held the railing tightly and walked one step at a time. When they reached the other side, Philo pointed toward the bushes. Look there. A tiny rabbit was stuck between some wet branches. It wasn't hurt, but it couldn't move. The children carefully moved the branches aside without frightening the rabbit. The little rabbit quickly hopped away into the forest. It looks so happy now, Amina laughed. The friends felt proud that they had helped another animal. After walking a little farther, they found an open field filled with colorful wildflowers. Butterflies fluttered gently from flower to flower, even after the rain. Nature looked beautiful. The children sat under a large tree and enjoyed the fresh air. Hamza opened his backpack. I brought apples and sandwiches. They shared their lunch equally. Just then, dark clouds gathered again. I think it's going to rain harder, Bilal said. Thunder echoed across the sky. We should head home, Hamza said. Calmly, the children walked back carefully without running. Soon the rain became heavier, but their raincoats kept them dry. When they reached the village, they noticed water collecting near an elderly neighbor's front gate. Without being asked, the children used a small broom to help clear the leaves blocking the drain. Soon the water flowed away. The elderly neighbor smiled warmly. Thank you, children. Your kindness has helped me a lot. The children felt happy. Helping others made the rainy day even more special. Finally, they reached home. Mother greeted them with warm towels. You look like real explorers. The children laughed. Mother served hot vegetable soup and warm tea for the grown-ups, along with hot milk for the children. As they sat together, Hamza shared the story of the baby bird, the rabbit, and helping their neighbor. Father smiled proudly. Today's adventure taught you something important. What is it? Asked Amina. A good adventure isn't about finding treasure. It's about showing courage, kindness, patience, and caring for. Oh, that night, the rain continued softly outside. Hamza looked out of the window one last time. The puddles reflected the moonlight. The trees swayed gently, and the world felt peaceful after the rain. He smiled and whispered, "What a wonderful rainy day."